Let's look at electrician's salary in Bahamas. The average electrician income in Bahamas is around 34,300 US dollars a year. That breaks down to roughly $2,858 every month before tax. While this is the average electrician pay, you'll earn noticeably more in the largest city, Nassau, where take-home pay is around $40,500. Living outside Nassau means electrician wages drop, but lower local costs often balance things out. Entry-level workers start well below this level. But how much does an electrician make in Bahamas as they gain experience? Pay goes up quickly early on, though it tends to plateau unless you move into supervision. Having a university degree creates a clear pay gap, which is why higher education helps you move into senior roles like master electrician or electrical inspector. On top of that, learning specializations like industrial systems adds up to a substantially higher average electrician pay over time.